Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I'm actually in LA right now, so that's why different background. I decided to film outside today. The lighting might be a little weird, but we're just going to be doing a simple get ready with me today. I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple summery makeup look, perfect for like the warm weather. It is so hot here, so I haven't been wearing that much makeup, but when I do, it's very minimalistic, very fresh and stuff. So let's just get right on into it. I'm just gonna prime real quick using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I just have a mini sample here. This is what I bring to travel with me since it's super small and travel friendly. And I'm just gonna smooth it out on my skin. So I have very dry skin, but since being here, my skin is like normal to oily. It's so weird. And then for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Makeup Forever Stick Foundation in the shade Y225. This foundation is starting to be a little light for me just because I am getting really tan right now. But I usually just mix in some bronzer and I make it work. So I just smooth this on my skin. I love this foundation for like traveling and stuff because it's so easy to use. You just kind of wipe it everywhere and you get a really easy look. And then I'm using my Real Techniques Expert face brush to blend it out. While being in the States, I have gotten so much new makeup and I'm so excited to get back and share it with you guys and show you everything that I got. There's so many goodies, and every year that I come here there's so much makeup that I never see in Canada because there's like Ultas here and stuff and I don't have that there. So that's why I was super excited to come back. I usually come here like every year and you guys usually see a haul from me at the end of the summer and stuff, so I'm very excited to share that with you guys. Definitely a lot of reviews and tutorials and everything like that coming soon, so I'm very excited. I'm actually just going to take the brush and go right over my eyelids. I do this instead of putting concealer there just because it's a lighter layer of makeup. And then I'm going to be taking my Fit Me concealer in the shade 10. And I'm just going to be spot concealing with this. I'm not going to be doing under eye concealer since I kind of spread the foundation to my under eyes. If you do have like worse under eye bags and you want to conceal them, go ahead, but I just don't feel the need to right now. When I'm doing lighter makeup, I like to do less coverage so that my like freckles still like seep through. So now that my foundation is all done, we're gonna go ahead and powder. The Fit Me powder from Maybelline today. I've been loving this powder right here. It's very nice on the skin. I'm just gonna dip in with my Real Techniques contour brush. I love this for under eyes and stuff. And I'm just gonna be setting my under eyes. I'm also just gonna set my eyelids. And then I'm also gonna set my T-zone where I've been getting more oily now. Now continuing on with the face, I'm just going to bronze. I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I love this stuff. It's so warm and pretty. It just blends the best on the skin. So I am bronzing a little heavier just to match my face to my body since I am more tan now and I didn't really pack a darker foundation, which was my mistake, but bronzer can always kind of save the day. Kind of applied all over. We bronze the nose too. Now for blush, I'm gonna be using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. Love this stuff. It adds such a nice glow to the skin. And on this Wet n Wild stippling brush, just gonna swirl it around. And I love like doing more blush these days, especially for these very fresh makeup looks. I think it looks so pretty if you have a little more blush on your skin. And now last but not least, we have some highlights. So I'm actually gonna mix the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Rose Gold. And I'm also gonna add in some little bit of Anastasia Amrezy. This creates a very nice highlight when I mix these two. And whenever I'm doing like dewy looks, I really like to go in with the highlight. Alright, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using my Alamar Cosmetics palette today. I brought the Alamar Cosmetics palette with me because I thought it would be the perfect palette to, you know, do these nice warm tones and everything. So I'm going to be taking Cocoa Taxi right here on a Morphe M441. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade in the crease. And then I'm going to go into the shade Tropico. It's like a warmer, deeper version of Cocoa Taxi. And I'm going to start building this in the outer corner and then bring it up into my crease. And then I'm going to mix these shades Guantanamera and Cafito. And I'm just going to apply this in the outer corner. Really define that outer corner. This palette is like the perfect summer palette. You have your warm tone shades and everything we all love. And then you do have like those pops of colors of blue and stuff. So I think it's so pretty. I did use the blue shades in my BoxyCharm video. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down below so you guys can see that look as well. But it's a very easy palette to work with and I love that. So very easy crease look, as you guys saw, super easy to do. Then I'm gonna dip into the shade La Milcon just with my finger, and it's a very pigmented shade, as you can see. I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. And then I'm gonna take the shade that's right beside it, La Costa, and I'm gonna put that right on top. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just use that to kind of blend everything together so it looks very seamless. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to be taking Cocoa Taxi, the shade we first used. And I'm going to be applying this to my lower lash line, just really buffing it out and buffing it down too, since it's a very light warm shade. Just really blow out that eye look. And then I'm going to take the shade Tropico and mix it with Guantanamera and start to define that lower lash line a little more. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to be taking the shade La Costa and applying that to the inner corner to really brighten up this eye look. Then I'm going to take the Soft Glam palette. I'm going to take the shade Tempera and I'm just going to use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna then grab some mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and we're just gonna apply this to the lashes. On looks like this, I just like adding mascara, no liner, no falsies, anything like that. It just makes the look really, really simple and effortless. Now to finish off this look, I'm just going to take some liquid lipstick. This is the Milani Amore liquid lipstick in the shade Sweetie. And I'm going to take the Maybelline Intimate lipstick in the shade Beige Babe. Pretty color, and I'm just going to put this in the center to lighten this look up. And then I'm just going to top off the look with some lip gloss. This is the Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss in the shade Stay My Rose. It's a really, really pretty color. I love adding a gloss to looks like these. It just makes it look so summery and fresh. Then last but not least, some setting spray. This is the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I love this. Such a fresh and really, really nice setting spray. And the mist on it is just the best. There are crows in the background. But anyways guys, this is the finished look. It's just a warm tone, very fresh makeup look, perfect for the summer. I absolutely love it, and I've been wearing this look a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. It was just a very simple makeup tutorial, but I've been doing this look a lot and wanted to share it with you guys while I'm still here. And I know it is a different setup. I know the lighting was a little whack, but I hope you guys still enjoyed sitting down and kind of doing this look with me. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.